Hello! The road we're travelling along now and have become so used to is called Much Doing. It's somewhere in the oft times confusing land of constant thinking. Today, the reason for our journey is to go beyond here, to visit for a while a place that some of you may have experienced before. It's a place called Just Being, in a land called the Now. If you haven't been before, I'm pretty sure you'll like it when we get there. Some say it feels like finally coming home, because it's a timeless place where there's just an awareness of pure consciousness, of just being. It's a dimension that's all around us, and actually within us. And now, up we go, way above the road of much doing that you can still see down there in the land of constant thinking. So now that we are in a state of both doing and being at the same time, we've become aligned with our divine intention. And that's when the magic that each of us has within happens. Because our innate ability is to consciously create and manifest the future that we desire, moment by moment, by doing and being in the now. So enjoy the ride. After all, you created it.